Now Zia asks, is public charge still apply? So you're asking, does the public charge still apply? Yes, the public charge always has applied and will apply. The public charge is something that was one of the first rules for immigration, I don't know, 130, 40 years ago that was passed. I said if a person comes here, they have to be able to support themselves and not become a public charge. The U.S. public doesn't have to pay for them. That rule is still there. Form I-864 affidavit of support is still there, or the I-134 affidavit of support for non-immigrant visa is still there. What is different is the interpretation of how to enforce the public charge rule. And so during President Trump's time, he made it much more difficult and strict on who could pass the public charge test. This was pulled back under the next current administration, but it's still there. So, for example, if you're applying for a student visa or tourist visa, and the officer thinks that you're coming here to go to the hospital, for example, and not pay, yeah, they can say you're going to be a public charge and deny you. Or on the other hand, if you're married to a U.S. citizen and you're applying for a green card, and the U.S. citizen spouse doesn't make enough money, and you don't have a joint sponsor or assets to be able to show that you could financially support your foreign spouse, then the public charge is going to apply, and they're at least initially refuse the case until you'll get an RFU with USCIS. If you file like that, insufficient documents like that, they'll give you a limited time to respond. Or at the embassy, they'll give you a refusal and give you administrative processing to respond to that. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.